Hello guys, welcome back to our C programming tutorial. So now we are going to tackle how to create a program to read and write a data, okay, to read the data from the text file and to write the data to the text file. Okay. So you need to create a file here, a text file, okay. We will try to create a new one here. Click, right click, new text document. I will put here the file data. Okay, this is the text box, or not the text file. This is the file. So as you can see, there's no data here. Okay? There's no data. It's empty. Now we need to write a data here using our program. So now we are using C programming. First is you need to declare a variable. I will declare a variable character ch. Next is I will use file. Then this is the one. This is the variable. Next is we need to open the file. Okay. To open the file is equal to rd is equal to fopen. Okay. Open natin yung, as you can see here, this is the file name. Okay, I will put here the file name, comma, and the restrict mode. It means is W. W means write. Okay. Now we need to put here the location of the file. So to get the location of the file, right click properties. You need to copy this one. Okay, go back to the code. Then slash. You need to get the name of the file. Okay, go back to the program. .txt. Now, once you using this location, you need to put double slash like this. This is the correct one. Okay. Now, as you can see, this one is, it means you are opening the file and you need to write a data. Now we will do printf here. Please enter control, for example, Z to write data, to write and read data, to write only, to write data to text file. It's like exit. Okay. Now after that one, we are going to write the data. So while, so first you will enter the text. Okay, please enter the text. Okay, then press Ctrl Z to write the text, or write the data, the text file. Okay, text file. Now we will do a while loop. We will get all the inputted data. So we will do here ch, then get car. If it is not equal, it is not equal to end of file, then we will write. So when you are going to write, you will use the put c. Okay, put c, it means writing the character, or the one you input, and the rd, the file. So it means this one is the one you input the data. This is the get car. Get car, it means it's like you are inputting the data. Then the the data will put into your file. Okay. If close, well, RD. Okay. So now we will try the program. As you can see here, if you go back here, there is no data. Okay, there's no writing here. Now we will run the program. Okay, I will put like here /n so that it will be on the downside. Okay, I'll put here Jaypee, Cesar, enter, application developer. Okay, OFW, then be call region, then control Z, then enter. So it means control Z, this one, this one, this one, and this one will be in your text file. So we will open the text file. So our text file is the file data. You'll see. Okay, so as you can see, whatever you put here, whatever you put here, it's the same here. Okay, now we will try again to run again the data. We'll try again to run. We'll put here Jaypee, SR. Okay, this programming tutorial using C programming. This video is for all IT students taking up programming subjects. Yeah. Then Control Z. As you can see, this one should be in your text file. See, it's the same, right? It's the same. Yeah. Whatever you put here, it will be here. Okay. This is what we call reading the data to your text file. Reading the data, writing the data to your text file. As you can see, nung naglagay kayo, once you put the data or once you put the input the data, it will save to the file name or to the file text file here. Okay. Now, the next is I want to read this one. As you can see, this program is to write. So it means nagsusulat ka or nilalagay mo lahat ng in-input mo dito sa console, papasok doon sa notepad or doon sa text file. Ngayon, babasahin naman natin yung nandun sa text file. Okay. Paano yon? As you can see, ito naman ang babasahin ko para ma-display ko doon sa program. Para ma-display ko dito. So, ngayon, okay, this code is used to write a data to text file up to here. Okay, this is up to here. See, I will put like this, then I will put like this. Okay, as you can see, this code, okay, this is the variable only. This code is used to write the data. Here, this code is used to read the data. As you can see, this one is to write. here is to read. So then, this is the one. Okay, now we will create a code here inside. So the code will be, first is you need to open. So we will use the RD. Same with this one. I will copy. But here, we will use R. Ah, yes, R. Because it means read. Babasahin natin yung nandun sa loob, sa text file. Ngayon, um, tingnan natin to, while loop. While natin, babasahin natin lahat yon. CH. Okay. Kung nakikita nyo dito, ang ginawa natin dyan ay get car. Ngayon naman, get C. Okay. Kukunin natin yung data na RD. Okay. Then, not equal to end of file. So, kung sabihin, kukunin natin yung data na nandito sa RD. Ito yun. Get C means babasahin natin yon to read. Then, i-display na natin dito sa output. So, ang pag-display niyan, if C H is equal to comma, for example, comma, okay, there is one, okay, then, printf, okay, /t, tab, okay, this one is tab, okay, else, kung hindi siya equal dun sa ano, ipiprint na natin. So, printf, okay, then, %c, then yung character. Okay, then, i-close din natin. Same nito. Yan. Okay. So, lagay natin dito sa bago mag-while loop, printf, this is the data from text file. Okay, tingnan natin. Run. Okay, lagay natin Jaypee. Processor. Okay, OFW, programmer, Control Z. Okay, as you can see, nakuha niya lang yung letter J. So, lagyan natin ng /n. Okay, tingnan natin. C, open, RD. Okay, this one is R. Okay, then while loop is equal to get CRD. Okay. Not equal to end of file. Then T, L, CH. Then F close. Oh, no. This one should be outside. Okay. Kaya pala. Run natin let Jaypee, sir, FW, programmer. uh, W application developer. Okay, Control Z to write the data. Then this is the data. So this one is reading the data. So kung makikita nyo, ayan. So ito yung in-input mo. Okay, ito yung in-input mo. Then ito naman yung binasa mo. Kaya lumabas yun dito. So para hindi kayo malito, pwede nating burahin to. Okay, lagay natin yan. As you can see, okay, compile run. As you can see, binasa niya na yung data. Hindi ka na nag-input kasi binura natin. May laman yan. Kung lalagyan ko dito ng iba pang, for example, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Okay, save ko to. Once na-run natin tong program, once I run the program, it will read the data there. See? As you can see, this is the reading of data from text file. Then this code is uh, writing data to a text file. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. This is what we call reading and writing data to text file. Okay, thank you.